Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I will walk you through how to get logged into Dillard's credit card account. Follow all the steps and watch this video until the very end to know the exact process on it. Now, before we start the video, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now, let's get into the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC. Now there search for Dillard's credit card. Now scroll the search result a bit down. Now click on this link, Dillard's Card Services. And as soon as you do that, you will be landed to its login interface. Now, if you haven't registered your account yet, you can tap on this enroll button and follow the instruction to get registered your account. Now, once your account gets registered, you can type in user ID and password of your account. If in case you have forgotten your password, you can tap on this forget password link to retrieve your password. And once you're done with typing in your credentials, tap on sign on button to get logged into your Dillard's credit card account. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your Dillard's credit card account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, then make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.